Imagine laying in bed for hours, your mind racing and sleep feeling like a distant dream. Getting at least 7 hours of good sleep every night is important for your body and mind. You may feel tired or easily irritated during a day. Sleep is essential for recharging and refueling every cell in your body. Without enough sleep, you face problems like high blood pressure, faster aging, and weaker immune system. You are not alone. Did you know that nearly 70 million of humans suffer from some form of sleep disorder? There are many reasons why we have trouble sleeping, but we often forget that our bodies need certain vitamins to help us sleep well. Let's talk about 6 essential vitamins that can make a huge difference in how well you sleep. Number 1, vitamin D. First, we discuss vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin. While it's well known for keeping our bones strong, research shows it plays a critical role in sleep regulation. A deficiency in vitamin D has been linked to poor sleep quality and even insomnia. Vitamin D is also lower inflammation in our brain to help restore your hormone balance. If you spending most of your time indoor or live in areas with long winter, you might not be getting enough sunlight to produce sufficient vitamin D. Food like fatty fish, fortified dairy milk products or supplements can help you maintain healthy level and as a result improve your sleep. Number 2, vitamin B6. Next we have vitamin B6. This vitamin does more than just boosting your mood or energy level. It helps in the production of serotonin and melatonin, two hormones essential for sleep. Serotonin keeps you calm and happy during the day, while melatonin tells your brain it's time for bed. Low level of B6 can interfere with this process, making it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep. Adding food like bananas, chickpeas, and salmon to your diet can help, or you can consider a B6 supplement is needed. Number 3, magnesium. Magnesium is a mineral, but it's too important to your sleep that it deserves a spot on this list. Magnesium acts like natural muscle relaxant, calming both your body and mind. In fact, magnesium regulates neurotransmitters that help quiet your nervous system, preparing you for rest. Studies have shown that magnesium supplement can improve sleep quality, especially in people with insomnia. Leafy green and nuts and whole grain are great natural source of this mineral. Number 4, vitamin C. We often think of vitamin C as a immune booster, but did you know it can help you sleep better too? Vitamin C lowers stress hormones like cortisol, which can interfere with your ability to fall asleep. When you're stressed, your body fight and flight response inactivated, and it's much harder to relax. High level of this stress hormone cortisol can keep you awake at night. Adding vitamin C rich food like orange, strawberries, and bell pepper into your diet can make a difference in how well you manage stress and ultimately how well you sleep. Number 5, vitamin E. The vitamin E is well known for its antioxidant properties, but its benefit extend to your sleep too. It can help protect your brain and cell from oxidative stress, which can distribute your sleep cycle. Additionally, studies suggested that vitamin E may help prevent sleep apnea by keeping your airways open and promoting better breathing during the night. Foods like almonds, sunflower seed, and spinach are a great source of vitamin E, but supplement can also help if you are not getting enough. Number 6, vitamin B12. Finally, we have vitamin B12. This one's powerhouse of energy, but it also plays a crucial role in regulating your sleep wake cycle. It helps regulate your body natural sleep wake cycle, making you feel tired when it's time to sleep and alert when time to wake up. B12 is found naturally in animal products like meat, egg, and dairy. If you are a vegetarian, you might need a supplement to make sure you're getting enough in support your sleep. Remember, sleep is a vital for in every aspect of our health. By making sure you're getting these 6 key vitamins, you can give your body the tools it needed to relax, recover, and wake up refreshed. Better sleep is closer than you think. Start by nourishing your body from the inside out.